Hey there, thanks for clicking. In today's video, we're talking about last night's closures vote and what comes next for families. Plus, today is the school choice deadline. Also, spring break support from our Sunrise Centers, a special event for our SPED senior students, and a look inside Sterling's Fine Arts program. It is Friday, February 27th. Well, a lot to get to on this Friday. We'll talk about school closures and next steps in just a bit. But first, today is the deadline for K through 12 families to submit their Phase 1 school choice application. Now, here's what happens next. Lottery results come out April 8th. If your student gets their first choice, you must accept that seat by April 21st. If you don't, or if you don't receive your first choice, Phase 2 also opens April 8th. And for families impacted by the upcoming school closures, the district has extended the school choice window and will provide individualized support. Now, last night, the board approved HISD's proposal to close 12 schools at the end of this school year. That includes the closure of 8 schools and the consolidation or co-location of 4 additional campuses. Now, we're now starting a comprehensive transition plan for impacted families. Part of those steps include shifting the focus to make this transition as smooth as possible. That means finishing the school year strong with no cuts to services at closing campuses. It also means making sure receiving schools are ready on day 1 for next school year, with classrooms prepared and support in place. You can read more in a district-wide letter that went out today via Parent Square. We also want to remind you that we have resources available online at houstonisd.org under Campus Closure Resources. In other news, with spring break right around the corner, our Sunrise Centers are getting ready. Starting March 2nd, families can visit their nearest Sunrise Center to pick up a free spring break booster kit, that is. Now, this is while supplies last. That includes museum tickets, YMCA day passes, free books, snack packs, and more. Just scan that QR code to find a center near you. And remember, our Sunrise Centers are community hubs that offer everything from medical support and food pantries to school supplies and family resources year-round. A quick reminder for our special education families with senior students. The What Comes Next event is happening soon. Now, this event connects students and families with community agencies, post-graduation resources, and transition support. Plus, there's going to be a vendor fair and cash prizes. Mark your calendar for March 25th and be sure to register. The link to do that is right below in the video description. Well, I spent some time at Sterling High School this week for Campus Close-Up, and we got some amazing stories. Today's story takes us inside the school's fine arts program, where choir and band students are finding their passion and hitting major milestones. The Wall of Sound Raider Band is heading to state in May, and we talk to students who say discipline, hard work, and heart are what makes it all possible. Tap the title banner to watch the full story. Before we go, tomorrow HISD is hosting a one-day multi-location hiring event from 8 a.m. until noon. Qualified educators can interview and receive on-the-spot offers. Locations are divided by region: North, West, Central, and South, including Sam Houston MSTC, Bel Air, Lamar, and Chavez High Schools. Scan that QR code right there for a location that works best for you. Well, that is it for today on HISD Now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend.